welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for choosing to sit down with me today. This is finally the shed video. We are finally gonna see me clean out the old shed. This is the best before picture that I have. I already cleaned out this opposite side. I do think I talk about this later in the video, but some of this, when I started, I didn't plan on having a YouTube. So unfortunately, some of the content's missed, but I will try to record as much as I can for you guys. Please enjoy. I really wish I would have taken a video before, because like all of this was covered. I mean, all of the floor was covered. All this was everywhere. Like you couldn't walk, you couldn't move. These were like in the middle of the floor over here by the seats, like on top of the seats. Honestly, I'm just really glad that I was able to get these tires to fit underneath the table and get these out of the way, because I was taking up so much space. An idea, this is the other side that I haven't touched yet. Now, like I said, the seats being removed, kind of, you can see like the dirty floor where it hasn't been swept, but I do like that it's out of here now. I knew it was a temporary thing, but now I can reach these items here. And I think today that's what I'll tackle. I know I have this, but I'm trying to start this way. Like all these can be thrown away and all this. So I'm thinking maybe that's what I'll tackle today. So I know I said I was going to tackle that little side wall first, but Noble wanted to go ahead and tackle what's up here on the roof instead, because it is a two-person job and it'd just be easier to knock that out first. So this is the footage you're going to see now. A dead lizard or something.
The thing is like a hollow, bro. That thing is done so
crazy.
Of like
just the spine of that lizard. I'm sorry if that was a little morbid. It's not often that you see like that kind of thing, and we got very sidetracked just staring at the spine. I'm not gonna lie to you. Also, a little side note here, I know it's crazy that I'm out here in just like a tank top and pants, but this was back in November when it was still 80 degrees. So it's not as crazy as it seems, I promise. Okay, we got everything from the roof. These are basically wooden cutouts that my papa made, handmade by himself, carved, everything. There's painted ones on the other side that I will show you guys. But yeah, these would go in the yard. You put stakes in them and you put them in the yard, and they're really cute decorations.
Here we are finally reaching the painted section. These are core childhood memories right here, and these are some of my faves. I'm gonna try to show you guys as I find them, because it really is hard to find handmade work like this, and my papa really was a very talented, creative man, and it just warms my heart to find these things again. These are things I'm definitely keeping. We do have like a sell keep pile. When I said they have literally a yard decoration for everything, I meant it. Christmas was their favorite holiday, so they do kind of go more out for Christmas. These doggies are so cute, and it's really funny because I was like, why in the world do y'all have 101 Dalmatian yard decorations? And Mimon didn't even know, but they're so cute, so I'm gonna keep a couple. Now, knowing my Mima, she probably did help paint these, but the fact that all of this was all done handmade by my Mima and Papa is so crazy, like just beautiful. Okay, so by the time we were able to put all the things up that we taken out and separated everything, put things in the trash, it was pretty late that day and we were tired. So this is a new day, and here I'm gonna go ahead and sweep up the floors, do some dusting, and kind of just clean up the areas that we just cleaned out, because I just feel like, I know it seems pointless because we're just gonna remove more stuff and it's gonna get dirty, but I just don't like adding dirt on dirt, so that's what we're doing. this will be the end of this video. There is still so much to do. Right now I'm just putting things back inside and sweeping and all the things. I feel like you can only watch me and hear me say sweep so many times. So we're just gonna end it here. Update video will be very soon. I don't know if it will be my next video or not, but part 2 will be soon. Thank you so much for choosing to sit down with me today. Like this video if you enjoy my cleaning content. Subscribe if you want to see more in the future, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.